Hi, I'm Dan Wilson. I'm a senior youth officer based here at Grassroots, which is a city centre youth project in Cardiff, supporting young people 16 to 25. Youth work methodology is grounded in the voluntary nature of the engagement that we have with young people. Young people engage with us because they want to engage with us, not because they're forced to engage with us, not because they're referred to engage with us. It's crucial to our role that we try and instill value, care, optimism into their lives and try and get them to re-engage positively with society.
The youth workers always say that it's not them who've changed or helped any of our lives. They say they just guide us and we're the ones that made those changes. However, I don't believe that's true, because without them, I don't think I would have achieved all the things I have done in the last 10 years.
We will research and see which other organisations can help them with the issues that they're facing. Try and start. I run a young parent group. They were coming in every other week and they were working with the group, and that took quite a lot of building up of relationships there, because young parents especially, they're quite scared of organisations that it's going to be referred to social services, and that is the biggest fear the young parents have. We worked very, very closely with them to change their opinions on that, and that was a great piece of work.
We need to co-produce, we need to work collaboratively, to sort of more so that the needs of young people are met. Relationships drive services, and with positive relationships, services get driven further.